Okay, we're taking off our T30 bolts. Two T30 bolts will come out. They will not be reused. Our T25 is next. Let's just get that out of there the easy way. 25 out. The bracket has been prepared and it goes right into place. Let's slip that bracket right up in there. This panel must pull out. This little tab on the bracket must slip in between the plastic outer panel and the mounting brace. Let's slip those into place. Pull out on this plastic panel and it goes right on up in there. I start with this little 5mm by 16 with the shoulder washer. I start with this one to secure the bracket. That is a 4mm. Little 4mm Allen head bolt. Let's get that started. And show that from above, camera baby. There's this outer plastic, the Clearwater bracket, and then the castle nut. Let's leave that loose and not tighten it. That helps to hold in place. Let's go with our 5mm bolts now. Let's get those started. This is a fun one. Hard to see this one. Camera babe, come around this way from my side. And here's the mirror bracket. Can you see up in there? That bolt up in there. You've got to come from the outside with a 5mm Allen wrench and get this one started. This is slow and tedious with this long Allen wrench. I've got a little tool from Craftsman. A long Allen wrench that's supposed to reach in there, but it doesn't work. So I'm going to do this by hand. This is very slow and tedious. We'll try to figure out how to fast forward this. This is the left side mirror bracket. I have already done the right side installation. The instructions from Clearwater are very nice. They have written instructions on their website. Let's snug these up. Again, hard to see without a bright light. It's dark up in there. Let's put our little Allen wrench on there, and let's put a cheater on the Allen wrench. Plenty snug. Let's do our little 4mm. That just needs to be hand tight because that castle looks pretty wimpy. Strip that out easily. That's plenty tight. And that's good. Fast and easy to mount. The Clearwater mirror mount bracket. Intake tube will go back in. All the body panels will go back on. And we'll have some mighty fine Clearwater lights mounted.